you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man?
What up, my guy?
I finally caught up with you.
I know, I see that.
Yeah, man.
Man, we'll get you find something.
Tell them what you're running in here.
I'm running the Resilient Sounds Platinum V1s, 15s. I got the V2 Recombs with the red spiders in them. They've been in there about 6 months now. They're just starting to break in. So, you know, we're going to give you some. We'll see what happens here.
Okay, let's do it.
I mean, we don't know. Got to find a great one here. We on 4L. We run MD 12K 0.5s. Run them at 0.44 per.
Woo!
Want to pray for some love?
Yeah.
This is DJ Rusty Cousins.
That's real shit, bro. Like, after you like a baby, a child, a kid, if you lucky enough, you know what I'm saying? After you a child, bro, you don't love this shit, man. For real. Straight up.
Last year, man. It was worth it right there.
I know, man.
Let them know where they can find you at, man.
Yeah, man. Erie, Pennsylvania, baby. Stanky, Panky. Look me up. Hogan Musico on Facebook.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll give them a
you know it.
All right, you ready to get you one? See me got you one.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.